Hey, what's happening, everyone? Today is October the 25th, 2021. This is going to be our Clover Health stock price prediction. We're going to give you all an update into the market in Clover Health. We want to know, is it time to double down on this stock? Because literally the market in Clover Health, you guys can see from our price chart already, hasn't been doing too much of anything. It's just been trading right there baseline on our support area of around $7. Now, when in the world can we see this market in Clover Health break out? Because it looks as if the market is trying to break down below $7 and go down. We don't want that to happen, but I mean, it's possible, especially when we show you all these different time frames in Clover Health. The market needed to show us that there are buyers coming into the market in Clover Health, and so far we really haven't seen that. Now, that doesn't mean that all is lost. It simply means that this market in Clover Health is hugging this support area of $7 because people are here in the market trying to buy up this particular stock on the low. It could also mean that. Now, let me talk about that. But first, if today's your first time ever seeing our videos, and welcome to our channel, we want to welcome you all. We want you all to join this team because we are the realest location that you're going to get the stock price predictions at. We're not going to give you no fluff, no FUD, no FOMO. We're not going to waste your time. We're just going to simply look at the price, look at the charts, and see what it's trying to tell us and get in position. That's it. Everyone else is literally out here wasting your time, speaking out of both sides of their mouth. They're trying to give you the bullish case scenario, then they're trying to give you the bearish case scenario, which does not benefit us because we already know price can go either direction. But which one is the most likely outcome? Is the market going to go up or is the market going to go down? Don't give me both cases. I don't care. I want to know what's the most likely way that the price is going to go. So we're going to give you all that. This is what we do. And not only that, we also plot it on our charts. We give you all what the expectations are so that you guys can't be confused and say, well, he's just literally talking out of both sides of his mouth. No, we want to show you that we're understanding how the market dynamics work. And here it is. So before I get started, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well if you guys want to be part of our team. So you guys can see right here on Clover Health, we did a price prediction on September the 10th, right? And here it is. We told you all that we was looking for the price in Clover Health to go up. Now go back and listen to the video. Go back and listen and see what I said, because the market in Clover Health did go up, right? It did right here. October the 14th, right? It did. Now, did I tell you all to grab some profitability at $8.50? I'm not sure. I didn't go back and listen to my own video, but naturally you guys can see that this is where the market has gotten a restriction right here. Okay. So currently this is where the market in Clover Health is being hung up at $8.50. Now, if I did say take some profit off the market in Clover Health at $8.50, that's 8.25% profitability right there. And I'm quite sure I did, but I will go back and listen to what I said in my video prior to, but let's get rid of it because that tells us that the market in Clover Health is showing a restriction at $8.50, right? Since that time, the market doesn't lie to us. Since that time, what has the market done? It's been going down. So that is the closest spot for us to continue to see the market break down in Clover Health, $8.50. Okay, that's the first hurdle. That is going to be our first obstacle for us to see a change in tone for Clover Health. We got to break above $8.50 in order for us to really see some strength coming to the market in Clover Health. Until that time, expect pretty much of the same, just trading sideways, trying to keep price above $7. That's it. Okay, now let's see what's going on into the market in Clover Health on a different time frame, because a different time frame give us different images as to what the people are thinking, right? So I'm still seeing on a 2-day time frame that $9 is pretty much a stronger area of restriction into the market in Clover Health. I mean, it goes all the way back to March of this year, 2021, to where Clover Health has really shown us that it has issues of trading above $9, right? Now, I don't like what happened into the market in Clover Health right here. This last completed 2-day price bar, I don't like it. So we are still seeing weakness right now in Clover Health, but it doesn't mean that we're going to continue to go down in the future. It doesn't. especially look at this. We got earnings coming up on the 8th of November. So the market currently is going down, and I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Clover Health bounce around this earnings release. I mean, as the trajectory has always been day in and day out, Clover Health going down, we need to have some type of catalyst to spur the people into thinking that the market in Clover Health finally is going to go up. I'm looking towards November the 8th for us to actually see some uplift in Clover Health's price. The trap needs to play some type of catalyst to create some excitement to move this market in Clover Health. And usually it's going to be right there around that earnings release, right? So keep that in mind. Now let's see the market in Clover Health on the 3-day, right? This is the 3-day time frame here. And we're still seeing weakness. I'm going to keep it real. I told you, we're the realest spot that you're going to get a price prediction. Everything in the market is not always a buy. That is a massive disservice that these YouTubers are giving to each and every one of you, is that everything into the market is always a buy. And when it goes down, then they want to tell you that they're a long-term investor. They want to hold on to these stocks for the next 500 years. All of a sudden, they become long-term investors. When in fact, if the market was to go up 500%, are you telling me you're still a long-term investor, or would you take the profitability out the market at 500%? Like, keep it real. Because obviously, many of them would take the profitability at 500% and would throw out that long-term investor crap, right? They would. So look at this. The 3-day time frame here in Clover Health is still giving us weakness. What about on the weekly time frame? I'm still seeing weakness here into the market in Clover Health. Look at this on the 2-week time frame. There's still weakness here in the market in Clover Health. This market is not showing us any strength. The only positive thing that I can tell you that I'm seeing on Clover Health stock market is $7. That's it. If we ever see the price in Clover Health break $7, I'm here to warn you right now, we are going to see a massive drop in price. Okay? Because look at all of these 2-week price bars, right? Right here. This is nothing but weakness. For us to see price shoot up and then only come back down and close on the low end of the price bar, there's a lot of weakness here. I'm here to tell you, the only thing that's propping up Clover Health's price is $7. That's it. There's nothing else here in this market that is showing us that there's strength here and that the market is buying. Nothing outside of the $7 price level. So I'm going to play the weakness in the market in Clover Health until I see a change occur. Now, I'm not going to be oblivious. Like I said, I can still see $7 trying to hold support. Now, we're still close to $7. Right? We're still close. So we need to be prepared to eat off the market right there around $7. That's only 6.5% away from where the market closed on Friday. 6.5%. I can still see that. Okay. So as we continue to see the market in Clover Health trade throughout the rest of this trading week, going into the beginning half of November, keep that in mind. So it kind of lets you know that even though I'm playing the weakness into the market in Clover Health, I'm not extremely weak. So just relax for those who are looking for the price to explode in Clover Health. I'm not extremely weak. I'm not seeing the price break $7, not yet. Now, if the monthly time frame though gives us something totally different, we might need to talk. And look at that. I really don't like the monthly time frame neither in Clover Health. Look how we ended the month of September. So when I see it from a monthly perspective, I mean the price in Clover Health can break $7 to the downside. Keeping it real, right? Keeping it real. Now, we're going to play the weakness in the market in Clover Health. All right. Now, initially, I got $7. Okay. I got $7 in the market in Clover Health. And if we happen to break that, I've already told you that we're going to go massively lower in price. Okay. Massively lower. It might even come all the way down to the all-time low in Clover Health, which was on March the 5th, 2021, to where the market came all the way down to $6.31. It might even be $5, given how weak the market looked on the monthly time frame. Okay, so now I'm going to keep the restriction area right there around $8.60 because that's the closest area for us to break up above in order for us to get straight. Now, if we ever see the price in Clover Health go up to $8.60, then my price prediction is now incorrect, and we'll have to come back in and reevaluate where the market's going to go. But until such time, this is my expectations for us to consolidate and to go down. Okay, so now it is your turn. I don't want to persuade you. I'm just giving you my perspective of what I'm seeing on the chart. Now is your turn. Call the markets with me. Give me your price prediction in Clover Health. Where do you think we're going to go over the next 2.5 to 3 weeks? Drop your price prediction right now into the market in Clover Health and let our people know what is your idea. All right. So now, since I'm looking for restriction to be around 14% away from the market close on Friday, I'm gonna bring down my ultimate TP around 14%. Right, which brings us to like $6.40, give or take. Now that takes us below $7. Okay, even though I'm not looking forward to break 7 yet, but I got to be prepared. I got to see, well, what would happen if the price do break below $7, right? How low else could I see the market go? And that brings us all the way back to here, $6.40, $6.50. So we're there. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.